Welcome to You Ask, We Answer, where our team breaks down your real questions about indoor air quality in a way that's clear, practical, and honest. Let's get started.
Hi, Dan Dearden, owner, founder, and inventor of the NovusAer air filtration system. Today we had a caller who wanted to know where he could purchase the replacement filters for our NovusAer air filtration system. Currently, they are distributed through our dealer network. You can just go to the website and all of our dealers are listed there under the tab Dealers. Our filters cost about $500 per set. Now you might be thinking, wow, $500 for air filters. That's a lot of money. But let's do a comparison. Let's compare the NovusAer air filters to the most popular extended media air filters on the market right now. So if you take a look at this table, you'll see we're comparing the 5 most popular air filters on the market right now. And you'll see from left to right, we've got the most efficient, being the NovusAer air filtration system at a field-tested efficiency of 99% efficiency at PM 2.5 particles. And in descending order over to the right, we've got the least efficient air filtration system that only catches 85% of the PM 2.5 particles. So you'll see that the NovusAer is the most efficient of the extended media air filters on the market right now, but you'll see that it is in the middle of the pack as far as the annual cost of the filters. So they may cost you $500 to purchase, but annually they're only about $166 a year. So we think it's a great value. You get 99% efficiency of PM 2.5 particles, and it only costs you about $166 a year. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching You Ask, We Answer. For more tips and resources, visit us at essentialairproducts.com. Clean air starts here.